So, truth be told, this hairstyle is not very new. It's actually about 3 weeks old, but I received so many compliments on it that I decided to do a video. So, I'm back here at the hair store and I wanted to show you what hair I used in its original packaging. So, this is Spectra hair. And the color is 1B. So the back is black and the front is this beautiful blue color, also by Spectra. And I'm going to give you a close-up here. And it's 26 inches pre-stretched. So here I am just taking down a braid so I can show you the technique that I use. And before beginning each braid, I sprayed some High Beam Intense Temporary Spray-On Hair Color by Salon Graphics in the color black. And I am using the rubber band method. As you can see, there's a rubber band right there. This method enables me to get a nice clean look without pulling on my edges or putting so much tension on my scalp, which is the whole point for a protective style like this one. So once I found the middle of where I'd be braiding, I folded it and then I sprayed a little bit of that Salon Graphics High Beam spray to tone down the transition between my hair and the blue hair. And I begin braiding. So as my third strand of braiding, I used my own hair to start it off. And then I split one side and added the blue hair to mine, as you can see. And I continued braiding down, borrowing hair as needed. And it's as easy as that. Now you can also spray the tops where these blue knots are if you don't care for the blue knot, but I actually thought it was cute and I'm here for it. So I chose to add some jewelry to my hair to bring out this look. I mean, why not? If you're gonna do blue, you might as well go all the way, right sis? So I'm gonna show you how I put in this thread or the string. So this is what they look like. And I'm able to do all three of these with the one piece that came inside of the packaging. So I'm going to choose one of these braids and I'm going to go with this black one here. And I'm going to take the jewelry that's already on it off. And with my gold string, first I'm going to make sure that both my sides are even. Then I'm going to wrap around. And with my string, I'm going to crisscross over, crisscross under, over, and under. Real simple. Just take your time because you don't want this to get bulky. And once I reach the end, I'm going to come to the underside of the braid and tie my knot. And I'm going to clip off the excess. Now, as far as these little gold clips are concerned, they are super easy. You just open them, find the braid that you want to put it on, and clip them around and they stay in place. I use 2 different sizes, and they're both just as easy. Now, as far as these clips are concerned, there are a variety, sis, to choose from. These are what my local beauty supply store carries, and I stuck with the gold as far as this style is concerned, but there are different colors and shapes and sizes and all kinds of flavors to give you exactly what you are looking for. I mean, go crazy, sis. Why not? Styles like this are a complete vibe. So bring your flavor to the table. I'm just here to inspire you. So I'm going to give you a view of the back. Like I said, I just stuck with complete black, no jewels. I really wanted the front to just glow. So there you are, a quick and easy protective style. Leave me a blue heart in the comment section below if you are here for this, and I will catch you in the next one. Until then, y'all, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.